I welcome you today to this honorable channel. So I came across this potential airdrop, which is actually free as usual and only requires a Telegram account and an OKX account to be eligible. And the task to perform are very simple, right? You just have to check the description section of this video for a link that will take you to this bot. You know, some time ago, most people in my billionaires club and also my Web3 update platform will tell you how I hate Telegram bot airdrop. But trust me, this one is knocking, and the fact that they've partnered with OKX is also a plus, and I highly recommend you to take part in this. You won't want to miss this, right? You are actually going to claim artifact token, and before you can do that, you need a Telegram and also an OKX account. So if you don't have an account on OKX, I'll also leave my description I'll also leave a link in the description section where you can create your account, right, and then thank me later. So what are you going to do when you open the link to this airdrop? But please, before that, create an OKX account and then verify it. It's as simple as ABCD. When you open the bot, you see you get this. It will bring you to this interface. You just have to click on start, right, and then you have to take your time to read all this. You see, they've even given you a link to register on OKX, but trust me, you can use mine, okay? You can use my own, and then make sure you also pass your KYC, right? After that, you have to follow OKX on Twitter. You just have to follow them, meaning you need a Twitter account for this as well. And also, you have to follow the Artifact official Twitter account, which a link is provided here, right? Also, okay, let's go here. So you register an OKX account. You have to pass your KYC on OKX. Also follow them on Twitter. You just have to be clicking these links. But for the OKX account, trust me, you can use my link and then register. Now here you have to follow Artifact official Twitter account, right? There's a pinned post, you have to like it, right, and also retweet or repost. When you are done, you just have to click on finish, and then here please send screenshots of your verified um account in OKX. So let me show you my own. You just have to go to OKX. Alright, so here you just have to go to OKX, click on your profile where you see this verified button. You take screenshot, you go there, and then you upload. It's as simple as ABCD. So after you drop the screenshots, they will also ask for your OKX UID, your user ID. So you just have to go to OKX again, click on your profile, and then copy your UID. After that, this is where they will ask for your BEP20 address, right? Make sure you copy it from OKX. So let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, so this is my OKX account, right? When you come here, you just have to click on deposit, right? Just click on deposit, and then you see this search button, right? Just type, right, you see it Arty there, you select BSC, right, and then you copy your address, right? You just copy your address, you go to the bot and paste it, right? So after you are done pasting, you just click on finish, and then you also get your personal referral link, which you can also share for others to at least join, and you also get commission for it, right? Guys, don't snooze with this update, because the project is gonna be big, it's gonna be huge. See you another time. Why don't you subscribe to my channel, so next time when I drop a new video, you turn on the notification button, and then you will be notified. See you again. in another exciting video. Bye bye.